This video is about getting rid of the new ransomware called Dazx. My video will demonstrate to you the damage that can be caused by this ransomware. This Dazx ransomware is from the DJVU ransomware family. It is clear that before the ransomware attack we are able to open our files without complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Dazx ransomware may be really easily injected, and very soon people realize that they cannot access their files anymore because of this ransomware. This ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and then appends this Dazx extension to the file names. Obviously, when people try to open this specific file, they soon get a message indicating that Windows cannot open this type of file with this Dazx extension. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a certain ransom for file recovery. However, to pay the ransom is not a good idea. The point is that this does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. So do not ever pay that ransom. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware, and we suggest you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. It will help you to effectively identify and eliminate this ransomware and other threats. You may get Combo Cleaner on this page, combocleaner.com. Download it, install the software, and then once it gets installed, start investigating the computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and obviously this is essential for proper detection of any malware. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Then the scanning itself will take some time. Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to protect the data from being damaged in the future, and of course it helps to remove this ransomware effectively. So at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their exact location. We recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution for protecting your data.